Welcome to CodePro channel. In this video, I will show you how to deploy your website into web server with very few steps, and also it is free to deploy. And first of all, I have downloaded a template from the templatehip.com. So this is the online resource of providing free template for us. So I have just downloaded this template. So if you click on this template, templateflip.com, so here you can see the live demo, right? So it is a sample resume format for us. So instead of sharing the resumes through the portals, you can directly create a web template for you. So it is a resume template. So I have created it for myself and I have downloaded it. So you can click on download, right? You are able to download this template. So it is a free, absolutely free. If you want support, then you need to buy it. Otherwise you need to download it free. So I have downloaded it and I have changed it to myself. So you can see this, right? I have downloaded. So what is the source code of this one is, this is the source code. Whenever you're trying to deploy your website, first of all, in the project your folder, the index.html file is mandatory because they are running, the server is running that index.html file. So in every project in Angular or React or basic static HTML file project also, the index.html file is mandatory, then only the project will be deployed. So here they have created index.html file. I am running this, open with live server. So when I open it, so it is opening like this. So this is my sample resume template website. So now it is working in my local. So I want to deploy it into some URL and I want to share with my friends or anyone, then they can able to see from their systems, right? So that is my goal in this video. Here this source code is in my system, absolutely. So first of all, I have to push this code into the GitHub, then only I can able to deploy that. First of all, you need to have a GitHub repository to push that code. If you don't have a GitHub account, please create that. It's very two-step process. You can directly create the account. Once you have created the account, so it will show that for you two steps here. Read the guide or start a project. So if you click on start a project also, it will work, or else you can click on this plus icon also, create new repository, it will work. So here I am creating a repository here. So what is my portfolio? So I'm just giving portfolio. So here is the public repository and I don't want this add readme file. Directly I'm creating the repository here. So once I have created repository, you need to execute these steps to push the code into the GitHub. So here this code is in my local system, right? I want to push this code into the GitHub. So for that, from the terminal, I'm going to the project folder. This is my project folder. This is the portfolio. From here, what I will check is git. Whenever you are pushing the code is the first time, so here you need to follow these steps. The first one is the git init. You need to initialize the repository. I have initialized the git repository. After that, you need to check the git status. So these are the files available in our folder. So you need to add that git add space dot. So it will add all the files to that commit. So after that, what you need to do is you need to create a first commit. Git commit -m first commit. I am creating the commit here. After that, what is the next step here? So instead of creating the branch, you can directly git remote add origin. You need to add that origin for this project. After that, so this is the final step. Instead of main, I am pushing it to the master directly. Git push. It will push our code into the GitHub. So for now, I am refreshing this page. So my entire code was here now. So whatever the code I have shown it in my Visual Studio Code local setup, entire code was here. So here you can see that index.html file, everything is there. So what I need to do is I have to push this code into the web server, then we can able to see anywhere from anywhere. So for that, what I am doing is the online resource I am using here. This is a Netlify. It is the online free resource server. So this is, open it, get started for free. So here you can log in with the GitHub. So GitHub is mandatory to deploy a website into your Netlify. Here, right, I want to deploy here. So new site from Git. Here you need to GitHub. So once you have authorized, right, so you need to pick a repository here. So my repository is portfolio. just search here. So this is the portfolio website, right? I'm just selecting that. So this is a master branch. So there is no build commands or anything. So you have index.html file. There is no need of build commands. Directly deploy your site. So site deploying is in progress now. It won't take much time. Directly it will deploy. So it is giving this domain for me. So directly if I execute this URL in any new tab, so you can able to see your website it here. So my website is live now, so I can able to share this link with anyone, then they can able to see this website. So it's very easy, it's a simple process. So you can also able to deploy the website. First of all, you need to download a template. After that, you need to push your code into the GitHub. After that, you need to create an account in the Netlify. You can deploy your website free. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.